I follow the developments through from conception to completion. I've worked at the company for 5 years and I've really enjoyed it. I started as a graduate and I've progressed through the company to now being a senior sales executive.
My job involves assisting the site manager. I take the building on from the first fix stage all the way through to the finals to be handed over to the client. I like everything about the role really. I enjoy the day-to-day business with everyone on site. I enjoy organising, I enjoy setting tasks for people, finding problems and being able to solve them.
I work 4 days a week and 1 day at college. On a day-to-day basis do brickwork and block work, different days inside doing pre-plaster in the houses and flats.
I can do anything from putting up trusses on the roof, to building the stud walls for the plasterboarders to come in. I don't think people realise how much comes into building a house. A small angle on a piece of timber can change the entire shape of the room and make something completely unsafe to live in. I won an award recently for my studies for efforts within the construction industry. Everybody here is just like a big family, to be fair. The minute I walked on site, it's a very supportive industry.
We are the accountants for the construction process, so we'll pay the electricians, the carpenters, all the trades on site. So I've recently just completed my higher national certificate in construction. I will be looking to go on to university to study quantity surveying.
My role is heavily focused on training and development. We have a number of IT-focused training courses, presentation skills, time management, as well as management training. They help individuals to actually work out how they need to develop in order to progress their careers.
I am involved with the engineering design, the substructure and below, that's like the foundations, ground engineering, as well as the surrounding infrastructure like roads, drainage, sorting out the levels. If I don't do that, they won't be able to actually go ahead on site and build it.
Once a site's been bought by the land team, I then design the site layout, the houses, the open spaces, and then we put that all together to create a planning application and then hopefully get planning permission, and then they can start building the sites.
My role is right at the beginning, identifying where we should build a Croudace house, putting bids together for sites, and if we're in the process of acquiring a site, doing lots of due diligence to make sure that we've investigated all the risks that we might be exposed to when we buy a site. The most rewarding part of my job is seeing sites that I've bought turn into new little communities with people living on them. I really enjoy working at Croudace. It's got a nice sort of team spirit between all the departments. There's just a nice sort of friendly, cooperative vibe in the office. A really nice place to work.
I joined Croudace as Assistant Site Manager. I progressed to Commercial Director, to Managing Director, and in 2013, Chief Executive. We take a long-term approach to the business of house building. We work through the ups and downs of the housing market cycle, and that leads us to adopt the approach with our staff that we recruit, train and develop for the long term. The big aims are a concise set of corporate objectives that are there to guide the direction and tempo of business over the next 5 years. And the first one is that we will be a 5-star house builder for safety and well-being, product quality and customer service. So the second big aim is that we'll seek to maximise resilience in the key areas of land, finance and people. And the third big aim is that by 2024 we'll be building and selling 800 homes a year. At the minute we're building 500 homes a year, so we're still projecting quite a significant period of growth across the next few years.